Hello, everyone. As a part of quantitative aptitude, the next topic what we will be seeing is decimal fractions. The first question, evaluate 2.39 square minus 1.61 square, the whole thing divided by 2.39 minus 1.61. If you look into the numerator, it looks like a square minus b square. So we can express that as a plus b into a minus b. So that means this can be written as 2.39 plus 1.61 times 2.39 minus 1.61 divided by 2.39 minus 1.61. So this and this gets cancelled. We will get ultimately 0.39 plus 0.61 is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. So it becomes 4. So the answer is B. Let us move on to the next question. Find the value of 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 plus 0.02, 0.02, 0.02 divided by 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 multiplied by plus 0.04 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 0.04. So this numerator, I will write it as 0.1 the whole cube plus 0.02 the whole cube divided by denominator. In every 0.2, we will be taking out 2 outside. We will get 0.1 multiplied by 2 into 0.1 multiplied by 2 into 0.1 plus here also we can take 2 outside 2 into 0.04 multiplied by 2 into 0.04 multiplied by not 04 02 it will become 2 into 0.02 2 into 0.02 2 into 0.02. So now the numerator remains as it is. Denominator 2 into 2 into 2. Again, here also 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 cube is common. So 2 cube times 0.1 3 times. So that means 0.1 to the cube plus 0.02 3 times 0.02 the cube. So this gets cancelled with this. We get 1 by 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 1 by 8 is 0.125. So the solution is option B. Let us move on to the next one. When 0.23, 0.230, 0.232323 and so on means 23 is getting recurring. So we can write that as x equal to 0.23 recurring, which is nothing but 0.23, 23, 23 and so on. So that means we can say 100 times x will be 23.2323 and so on. Now let us consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Second equation minus first equation, we will get in the left hand side 99x. And here 0.232323 gets cancelled in both second and first. So you get only 23, which means our x will be 23 by 99. That means the option C is the right option. Let us move on to the next one. Fourth question. The expression 11.98 into 11.98 plus 11.98 times y plus 11.0 times 0.02 into 0.02 will be a perfect square for y equal to means first I will write the expression as 11.98 the square plus 11.98 times y plus 0.02 square. We know a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b the whole square. Here, if we consider this a as 11.98 and b as 0.02 the square, 0.02, then here what is missing is this y should be 2 times 0.02. Therefore, sorry, if this has to be a perfect square, let me write. For this to be a perfect square, y should be y should be 2 multiplied by 0.02, which will be 0.04. So that is our option C. Let us move on to the next question. Here, 0.166 is going to recur, 0.833 is going to recur, 0.33 is going to recur, divided by 0.22 is going to recur, 0.66 is going to recur, and here it is not recurring, 0.125. So now let us write 0.16 as 0.1666 and so on. Let us call this as x. Now 10x will be 1.666 and so on. 100 times x will be 16.666 and so on. So considering this as 1, this as 2, we get 2 minus 1 as 90x equal to 15, which means x will be 15 by 90 or 1 by 6. Now let y is equal to 0.833 recurring. That can be written as 0.8333 and so on. Now 10y will be 8.3333 and so on. 100y will be 83.3333 and so on. Consider this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. We get 4 minus 3 as 90y is equal to, here it is 83 minus 8. 83 minus 8 will be 75. Because 0.3333 gets cancelled. Our y will be 75 by 90. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 15, we get 15 5s are 15 6 are. So 5 by 6. That is your 0.83 bar. Next, let z equal to 0.3 bar, which is nothing but 0.333 and so on. So 10z will be 3.3333. So now directly subtracting 10z minus z, we get 9z is equal to, here you get 3, which means our z will be 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. Now let small p is equal to 0.6 bar, 0.2 bar, sorry, 0.6 bar. No, we need 2 bar, 0.2 bar. So correct only. 0.2 bar, which is nothing but 0.2222 10 times P will be 2.2222. So which means subtracting these two, we get 9P is equal to 2. And that means our P will be 2 by 9. Okay, now next is 0.6 bar. Let Q is equal to 0.6 bar, which is nothing but 0.6666. So 10Q will be 6.6666. So that means subtracting these two, 9Q will be 6, or Q will be 6 by 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. That is our 0.6 bar. Now 0.125 is directly 1 by 8. So we can now evaluate the fraction. So the fraction will be, fraction is equal to fraction is equal to 1 by 6 into 5 by 6. Numerator 1 by 6 into 5 by 6. Denominator, sorry, one more is there, no? 1 by 6 is your x, 5 by 6 is your y, z is 1 by 3. Divided by, denominator is PQR, P is 2 by 9, Q is 2 by 3, R is 0.125, we said it is 1 by 8, not recurring. We will now get 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 3 into, we will write all the reciprocals of the denominator because we are multiplying now. 9 by 2, 3 by 2, 8 by 1. So now we may think about cancelling. 2 2s are 4. This is 2 goes 2 times. This 3, then this 3 gets cancelled. And here 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Ultimately, we get 5 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. 5 by 2 is 2.5. That is the solution for this.